Keith's an amazing guy.
What is up? It is Red, the Rideshare Ginger, coming right back at you. We're just going more in depth on the top 25 tips for Uber and Lyft drivers. And today we are going to do 20 through 16. And trying to go a little more in depth in the full video. If you want to see the full video, it's like 2 videos before this, so go take a look at it. Number 20 is get a car wash membership. I mean, it's so straightforward and makes a lot of sense, but especially if you live somewhere where it snows or you're gonna be getting salt on your car and things like that, you want the car wash membership. Yeah, you can go to car washes for $3, but if you have an area where it snows a lot, you're gonna have salt all over your car and everything, especially if you have a black car, you're gonna end up paying more than what a car wash membership normally costs. My car wash membership is 20 bucks a month, so I mean, basically within 7 days of washing the car, it's already paid for. And that's with a $3 wash, and most people are probably doing $5, $6, $7 washes. So it makes a lot more sense to go with a car wash membership, and it's just gonna pay for itself over time. And then in the summer, I normally do tend to get rid of my car wash membership because I just don't wash my car very much in the summer. I just don't really fucking care what the outside looks like too much in the summer, but in the winter, when you have the salt and everything, it looks like shit, so get your car washed. Number 19, don't banter in the app. It's pretty straightforward. I mean, Uber and Lyft, they can see what you're saying within the app, so you don't want to be a dick in the app. You don't want to go back and forth with the customer in the app. Just let whatever it is they're doing, just let it go, or try to be as professional as possible. Just don't be a dick in the app. Pretty straightforward. Wow, and if you heard that, that was my cat jumping the fence. Number 18, get snacks and food for yourself. You want snacks and food for you, because if you're doing this right, you're not gonna go out for 4 hours, you're gonna go out for 8, 12, 16, 20, and you're gonna want food at some point, and you don't wanna go grab fast food because then you're eating into your earnings at that point. Bring food for yourself, pack a lunch, get a Hot Logic. If you don't know what that is, it's a little lunch box that has a hot plate in the bottom. It'll warm up food for you. It's excellent to warm up food, but bring something, bring the food with you so you're not spending as much money while you're out on the road. It's just gonna kind of eat into those earnings that you have, and it just doesn't make sense. And it's also probably gonna be healthier if you bring the food with you. I mean, it kind of depends on what you make at home, but in general, you're gonna eat healthier if the food comes with you versus buying it while you're out on the road. Number 17, don't buy water and snacks for customers. I've done it. I bought the water, I bought the snacks, I've had the cargo, I've done it all. The only caveat is water. Water's fine. I just don't think it ends up being worth your money. I don't think you're gonna get the tips in return for it. It just is not worth the money, but if you're gonna do something, I would do water. But snacks, just not gonna be worth the money for you. It's not a good, solid investment. You're not gonna see it back in tips. I would just skip the food and water for the customers overall. Number 16, last one for today, load the luggage. Dude, it's pretty simple. Load the fucking luggage for people. It's good customer service. You're gonna end up probably not getting more tips, but you're gonna avoid not getting tips, if that makes sense at all. Like, a customer that's going to tip you, if you load the luggage, is still gonna tip you, but if you don't load the luggage, they're probably not going to tip you. Now, a customer who's not going to tip you, if you load the luggage, probably still not gonna tip you. There's not a tipping person, but it's gonna have you getting higher percentage of tips overall at the end of the day. And additionally, you're not gonna damage your car. So many people try to load their big heavy luggage in and slam it right into the back of your car and potentially hit something, break something. So just overall, better off loading the luggage yourself. Is gonna help you with tips, it's gonna protect your car. Just load the damn luggage. So that was the 5 for today. We'll continue going more in depth, and who knows, maybe I'll get videos out here more consistently. I am doing mostly Shipt and Instacart these days, not doing a ton of driving, so that's why I'm just not talking as much. I just don't have as much on the driving side to say, and Shipt and Instacart is pretty straightforward for the most part. I will try to get more tips and trick videos back out for that like I was doing before, but let me know what questions you have. Let me know what you think. Thanks.